That's what I call oriental vegetable. So tara, samahan niyo akong mamili ng mga grocery. Andito na po tayo. Oh, ang laki ng grapes nila. Perfect. Oh my God, nakakaloka. I am going to try this one. Meron pala ako car service. Hello, Matt. Bibigyan ko rin yung bagong kapitbahay namin. Na bagong lipat lang sila. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. It is Monday today and it's currently 10:30 na ng umaga. And today guys, magre-restock tayo ng mga essentials na gagamitin ko for this week. It's either for cooking or something for the house. Kasi medyo paubos na rin yung laman ng ref natin. Pati na rin yung mga ibang pantry staples. Isa po ito sa mga feeling ko lang na na-organize or nagiging productive yung buong week or nakukumpleto yung mga kailangan ko sa bahay. Pag ginagawa ko siya, may mga usual akong favorites, pero tingnan din natin kung may mga new product din na worth it itry. Normally, I would do a grocery for 3 recipes only. And I normally have a cookbook that I have that rotates for the entire year of the meals. 3 recipes because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, kakain na po kami sa labas. We have 3 people in the house, including myself, si John and James. Si James is a nephew of John that is currently in Australia and he is staying with us for the meantime. Also, the 2 dogs. But yung 2 dogs, meron silang sarili nilang food. We cook them only once a week. So tara, samahan niyo akong mamili ng mga grocery na kakailanganin ko sa linggong ito. Before we head out to do the grocery, I'm just going to talk you through of the outfit. This hoodie knit jumper is from Mango, jeans is from Levi's, and the shoes is from Nike. And I also bowed my hair just like that. Don't forget the grocery bags because this is essential. Andito na po tayo. Ano ba itong nag-park na to? So, para po makompleto yung ating pag-grocery run today, kumuha po muna tayo dito sa bakery ng kape. Kasi kailangan po natin ng caffeine para sa mahaba-habang lakaran. Hello, 1 cappuccino.
Do you know which size? Small, medium, large?
Small. Soy milk. No sugar. Andito na po tayo sa loob. Nakakuha rin tayo ng cart. First is this one. Let's grab some... Oh, ang laki ng grapes nila. Perfect. 2 of blueberries. Kuha tayo ng malalaki. I think ito, pwede na to. Blackberries din. 2. Next one po natin is banana. This banana is called Cavendish banana. Ang laki nito. Ano ba? Ito siguro. This one. Kuha rin tayo ng kiwi. Because this is good for your digestion. 2. Next is the scallions. Ba't parang namamatay na to sila? Huh? Ito na siguro. Pwede na to. Isa sa mga cons ng pag-grocery ng Monday is ubus na yung mga fresh. You would actually do the grocery on a Sunday kasi fresh na fresh pa sila. Kuha rin tayo ng basil. 2 yung kukunin natin because I'm going to make Thai basil chicken. Check ko muna yung phone ko kasi hindi ako nag-check. Meron pala ako yun. Car service. Hello, Matt. I do have a service with you. Okay, 2 p.m., yeah? Okay, thank you. Di pa pala. 2 p.m. pa. Check muna natin yung mga kakailanganin natin. Kuha muna tayo ng 4 carrots. Ito rin, staple to sa ating bahay every week kasi all of my recipes has carrots. Ayan. Broccoli din. Kasi yung carrots at saka broccoli, pagkain din yan nila Coco at saka Louie. So, every week, kumukuha kami nito. I think 2. Pero guys, for this week, niluto na namin yung mga pagkain nila Coco at saka ni Louie. So we don't have to cook them again kasi niluto na siya ni John kagabi, which is Sunday. Wala tayong full dito na section. Fish section na tayo. Kuha tayo ng 3 salmon. Hello? 3 salmon? Skin on. Big part.
Nothing else.
Nothing more. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
You too. Ito naman is the chicken section. Kuha tayo ng free-range Australian chicken. 3. Kuha din tayo ng drumstick at saka chicken legs na free-range. Tag-iisa sila. Kompleto na po tayo sa meat section. We have chicken and salmon. We normally eat chicken, salmon, minced beef, but we try to avoid pork. Here, let's get some milk also, but we are going to pick the ones that is the longest. So, July 5. Ito, matagal-tagal to. And this is John's favorite kasi kailangan niya to whenever he is driving at 6 a.m. from a night shift. Ay, popcorn! Triple popcorn ito. Tayo nito. A lot of these have so many varieties. But I'm going to get the full size triple butter popcorn. Kasi value pack siya. Nakaka-happy pag may popcorn. Also, water. Kuha tayo ng 6. 1, 2. Since wala na pong Mount Franklin, ito na lang. And this one is the alkaline water. Actually, wala akong water na nilagay. But I kinda know what I want for this week kasi paulit-ulit lang siya ba na kinukuha. So, herbs and spices na naman. International food and pasta. For the pasta naman, guys, kuha tayo ng 4 dito na variety ng pastifisio. This is the penne, 2 of them. And then the farfalle or the ribbon pasta. 2 din. So, herbs and spices na tayo, guys. Kuha tayo ng Italian herbs. Ito. Kuha tayo ng 2. Kuha din tayo ng parsley leaves. Ito siya. Saan yung mga cubes? Ito. Ito. Chicken and beef cubes. Kuha tayo ng 2. Tig-2 sila. Malapit na po tayong matapos. There is also one grocery store that I normally go to. Kukunin tayo later sa kanila. Mga oriental vegetables. When I say oriental, parang yung hindi talaga siya pang Caucasian vegetables. Pang Asian vegetables siya. That's what I call oriental vegetable. And also, kuha tayo ng tawag nito, toilet papers. Kasi ubos na po. Ano pa ba yung kailangan? Kasi yung mga paborito ni John noon, hindi pa ako nagluluto. At ngayon na nagluluto na ako, I really try to incorporate that in my recipe para hindi si John naninibago sa mga kakainin. Kuha lang tayo ng muscle soothing. This is for hot pot. This one. Super relaxing nito. 2 last things that I'm going to get here is the green peas and then ice cream. This one. And then ice cream. Gustong-gusto ko to, guys. Super. I really love it. Tapos na po tayo sa ating grocery, but not yet totally because we're going to head off to another grocery shop which is outside here. That one is like of a local grocery at dun makikita yung mga radish, ampalaya, mga guava, mga santol. Kasi dito sa grocery na to, wala kayong makikitang ganyan. Para siyang Asian market or Asian grocery shop. Look at this, guys. Meron silang Nescafe na strawberry donut na latte. Oh my God, nakakaloka. I am going to try this one. And since 2 for $10 siya, kumuha rin tayo ng spicy chai coffee. I'm super excited to try this one. Para makapagdala rin ako sa work ko kasi panggabi. And I think tapos na po ako sa aking grocery today. At magbayad na po tayo. Oh my God! Maupo muna tayo at inumin tong kape ko baka lumamig. The other shop that I'm talking to you about is behind me. And I'm going to shop there later, but I'm going to rest first. Soy milk and no sugar is the best cappuccino. So, andito na tayo, guys. And first and foremost is the bok choy. So, gawin natin 4 yung bok choy natin. Okay na to. 2 lang pala kasi 2 per stack pala siya. Kuha din tayo ng radish, guys. Since malaki naman yung radish, gawin lang natin siyang 2. Yan, radish is secured. Ano pa yung kailangan natin? Ripe banana and eggs. So, kuha tayo ng 4 or 8. 8 kasi bibigyan ko rin yung bagong kapitbahay namin. Na bagong lipat lang sila. Okay na to? Ito nga pala yung sinasabi ko na hindi nyo talaga makikita sa normal grocery store. Yung mga guava, yung mga, ano tawag ito? Atis ba yan sa atin? Yung mga ampalaya na yan. Ay nako, 3 varieties pa talaga. Ang lalaki din ng mga sili. May Thai sili sila dito. I'm gonna get to it soon. Hindi naman karamihan, no? Kuha rin tayo ng guava. 1, 2. Okay na tong 2. Hello. Yes. Can I get some eggs? This is the 800 grams of tray of eggs. Can you wrap this up? Thank you. So, tapos na po tayo. All in all, yung nagasto natin is 265 sa main grocery at saka sa Asian grocery is $32. So, all in all, I think I spent $290. Pasok pa rin po siya sa ating budget for this week. Ayan na po. Tapos na po tayo sa ating grocery. Yung pag-grocery talaga, it won't complete my Monday pag hindi nakakapag-grocery kasi it is just a start of the week. I really love doing it. Kasi pag ginagawa ko siya, I would think na nakakompleto po yung ating week. I hope wala po akong nakalimutan kasi ayoko nang bumalik. Anyway guys, na-load ko na po yung aking mga grocery and that is my vlog for this week. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification below and don't forget to like and share this video. I am going to go back home, put everything in the fridge and we are stock up for this week. Isa sa uli ko lang to. See you guys! Bye!